In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run Facebook ads for Amazon affiliate marketing. This process can be a great way to drive traffic to your Amazon affiliate links and potentially increase your earnings. Let's walk through it step by step. First, you'll want to start by logging into your Facebook account. Once you're in, navigate to your Facebook page or profile where you intend to create and promote your post. This is your starting point for sharing content with your audience. Next, you'll need to create a post about the Amazon product you want to boost. This is an important step because your post is essentially the ad that people will see. Take some time to think about what you want to say. It's crucial to craft a compelling message that will capture people's attention and spark their interest in the product. After you've decided on the content of your post, type out your review or description of the item. Be honest and engaging in your review. People tend to respond well to personal stories or testimonials, so if you have any personal experience with the product, be sure to include it. Once the text of your post is ready, it's essential to include a link to the Amazon product. This link is how people will easily access the product page and potentially make a purchase. Ensure that the link is correct and that it directs users to the right page. This step is crucial, as the ease of access can significantly influence whether someone decides to click through. With your post content and link in place, the next thing to do is hit the post button. This action will publish your post to your Facebook audience, making it visible for your followers to see. But remember, just posting it isn't enough if you want to maximize visibility. Now, to really boost your reach, you need to promote this post. Facebook offers tools to help you target specific audiences, which can be incredibly beneficial. You can set parameters such as age, location, and interests to ensure that your ad reaches the people most likely to be interested in the product you're promoting. This targeted approach can result in more clicks and potentially higher conversion rates. So there you have it, a simple yet effective way to run Facebook ads for Amazon affiliate marketing. By carefully crafting your post, including essential links, and utilizing Facebook's targeting tools, you can increase your chances of success. Don't forget to monitor the performance of your ads. This data can provide valuable insights and help you refine your strategy for even better results in the future. Happy marketing!